gotta go, you gotta leave, baby, please wait a minute. Won't you hear me?
Hey everybody out there, super excited. You know, it's your girl Sounds of Shar'e, and I am here inside of the Castleton Mall, located on East 82nd Street. You guys know where it's at. Super geeks. We are shooting a model photo shoot today for my portfolio, and I am here at the one and only Francesca's. Make sure you guys shop with them online and in store. And I am here with the beautiful Cheyenne, who I just happened to meet a couple of days ago. Super excited. How are you today? I know that's right. You look beautiful. Wait till you guys see what she has picked out for me to be styled for my photo shoot today. Super excited. We just wrapped up an amazing model photo shoot with the one and only Michael, Pat, and Super Geeks. And I'm here at Castleton Mall at Francesca's with the one and only Cheyenne, who happens to be the stylist of me today. I'm super excited. I can't wait till you see all the cute little super looks that she put me in today. I feel beautiful. Thank you so much for having me today. How do you feel on set today?
I felt pretty good. It was fun watching you do everything together. It was kind of a neat little experience for sure.
Yeah. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I will have some more things coming up because I definitely have to have Cheyenne on my team. So stay tuned. See y'all later. Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's